It's our last day here, so we're going to go for a nice little nature walk and see what else we can get up to.
Yes. Let's go. Where are you taking us?
To a national park.
Oh, nice. Let's see all the farms.
Lots of local life happening. Oh, loads of cabbages. We're now in a tea plantation.
Yeah. It's a little bit rainy.
Yeah. Got the umbrella out. What did we learn yesterday about the tea?
That it tastes good.
No, that
good taste.
all black tea, green tea and white tea all comes from the same bush. It's just processed differently. And I think they use this bit for the white tea.
And that's very expensive.
Yeah, like £36 for a box.
For 100 grams of tea.
Yeah.
But that one had the best taste. So.
Yeah. Good taste.
Good taste. It smells good.
It does. It smells very tea-ish. It's a bit expensive. It cost like £10 each to come in. So hopefully it's nice.
I'm sure it's nice. I hope we see some
Wildlife, yeah. We walked all the way here, so.
See anything?
No. So this is a national park, but I think it's a really small one. Josh has found a moss cricket.
Looking back where he's camouflage.
That's the only wildlife we've seen so far.
Yeah.
The sun's coming out though. Oh, pheasants!
Jungle chickens.
No, I think they're pheasants. Look, there's some more. I don't know if the camera can even pick that up because they're quite far. Yay, we finally saw some animals. We found some beautiful flowers. We come to the end of the trail. What did you think?
Nice jungle walk.
Yeah, it's a nice place, but I don't think it's worth paying that much money for it. personally. But still nice.
Yeah.
What are we going to do now?
You hungry?
A little bit.
Let's head into the town. Go for a walk around the town.
Okay. Oh, look at all these. Coconut basket. Yeah. 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 What are you doing?
Writing a bad review.
For what?
Always land.
The national park. Still annoyed at the cost of it. It was a rip-off.
Go away.
That is a mango lassi. I think I'm going to turn into a mango. I'm having so much mango.
Tea.
And a cheese dosa with some dips. You want to try it? It's probably coconut. Nice? Ooh. Is it spicy? No.
Big spoonful. Yes, it's spicy.
Chickpeas?
Soy chunks.
Soy chunks? Oh. I thought it was a cherry.
Is this the same?
Oh, look at that. Cheesy. Very cheesy.
Sorry, I wasn't paying attention. Is it good?
Yeah, it's very cheesy.
I got pori bhaji. Good.
Very good. Good taste.
Where are we going now?
We're going to a very sacred temple. Oh, that's Hanuman. So
Monkey face. What are you doing?
filming a little bit.
Don't get us fucking stabbed.
We're not allowed to film in the main temple, but this is supposedly where Sita in the Ramayana was held captive. And there's a Hanuman's footprint somewhere. Oh, there it is. Ah, there's a waterfall as well. So yeah, that's supposedly the footprint of Hanuman. And there's Hanuman over there.
Big footprint, isn't it?
Yeah, he's got big feet.
Is he a giant?
So this mountain is covered with mist now, but apparently it has the face of Lord Hanuman on it.
You know what else has a monkey face?
What are we doing now?
We are wondering why Numi's not eating anything.
I'm not hungry.
That means something is wrong. There is a confusion in the universe.
Well, I'm sure it'll be fine. Cheese potu. I've got a bread that's stuffed with onion. Okay, well, our time in Nuwara Eliya has come to an end. Let's do a quick summary of what we think of it here.
Lots of tea.
Lots of tea, lots of beautiful scenery.
If you like tea, you should definitely come here.
And if you like nature and beautiful places and escaping the heat of Sri Lanka, then definitely give it a go. We're off back to the beach tomorrow. We're going to get a really long local bus, so we'll let you know how that goes. But I hope you've enjoyed the videos from here. We will see you in the next one.